A lot of our customers ask us why cloning service is more expensive on some of the brands like Volkswagen and Audi and BMW and Mercedes, some of the higher end vehicles. Mostly because it's not just that we're trying to charge you more, it's the time involved. A lot of these Volkswagens are encrypted processors, and we can't just extract the information and then write it on to the replacement. It doesn't work like that. These processors are actually locked, and we have to physically remove them. Some of them have 200 tiny micro legs. We have to remove it from your original, take one off the replacement, solder this one back down correctly, which takes some skill and some certain tools. And then this particular one, there's another chip on the front side that we have to do. So it's more of a labor issue than anything else. And I just wanted to explain that because some people do ask why our cloning on some of the vehicles is more expensive.